up, guys? Damien126 here, and we're back with another video. Yeah, I'm a little tired, but today we're finally going to pick up my dirt bike. It's been getting a makeover, so actually it's gonna look a lot better, I guess. But it's got some new parts on there too. It's gonna be pretty sick. But I gotta eat, and I gotta do a couple other stuff to get ready, and I'll show you all my new gear. So here's the new gear. It's FXR gear. I tried out a new brand this time. It's actually pretty sick. I like the colors on it, and the green, orange, and purple, and black. And then here's the pants. They're pretty sick. Just to match the colors of the jersey. But yeah, it's actually pretty sick. Yeah, but back to what I was saying about the dirt bike. It is the same dirt bike. I just getting a makeover for it, so it's gonna look pretty different. So yeah, it's got. I don't know what it looks like yet, so we'll both be finding out at the same time, basically. So yeah, I gotta eat and do a couple things. So yeah, I'll catch y'all in a minute. After getting done with all that eating and stuff, we're outside, see, in the garage and stuff. So actually, I want to show you guys something. As some of y'all know, that I added a FMF to my pit bike, but I went out for a ride day at Highland, and I broke spokes. One shot through and popped the inner tube. So we got all the parts for it now, but we just haven't done it yet since it's been so freaking cold. But right now we're just putting stuff in the back of the truck. So do we have everything, or?
I don't know. Don't you want something to drink?
Oh yeah, that's fine. Let's see. Let's just bring it down the milk. And then, so take some body armor. My favorite. Ow. I'll take root beer, just in case. And a couple waters. 3. And then we gotta get the cooler out. I'm doing everything one-handed. Trying to get this thing out. Gotcha. Okay, now open this. Grab our ice pack. So, put this in here. So that's everything for there. Just put another ice pack on top. That won't fit. Right there. Ooh. I can't tell if it's fitting or not. Yeah, it fits. Okay, now let's get a couple snacks. Oh, gotta close this. And this. So now we have the cooler ready. Actually, I just said something. On the side. Yeah, so this is kind of like what we usually do when we're going dirt bike riding, but the one thing is, I don't have to go and I don't have to load up my bike, because that's our trainer's house. So I'm gonna bring some raisins. Is one already open? Yeah. Hey bud, you got something to say? I don't know if it saved what I was just doing, but I just filled up the cooler just in case. Telling you all what I did, just in case it didn't save. Filling out the cooler, showed you guys my pit bike, how the flat tire and the spoke shot through, and yeah. So now getting some snacks for the cooler. So a couple raisins. Max, you got something to say, bud? Where you at, bud? What you doing, Max? You don't need the Ziploc. Are we gonna put it in the cooler? Or? Okay. I saw it earlier. Oh, it's right here. Here's my dog back the ball, Daddy. Ready? Ready, buddy? You ready? The other ear!
Put it by the other one.
Max, wait. Oh, look at him. He's got no ears.
Put it by the other one over there. Recommended. When did you do that?
You eating ears, buddy? Ready? Good catch. Yeah, it said something about my battery being exhausted, so that's why I was wondering if it saved it or not. So. Got my camera bag. Got this new GoPro mount as a dangle mount, so it goes on the front of my helmet instead of the focus. Yeah, so it like clips onto the front of my helmet, and you wanna see it? So yeah, this just goes on the front right here, and here's my gaming setup. But it's not on right now, but yeah. I'll bring my helmet. So we got not too much stuff in here. You don't need that.
You don't need it?
No. So yeah. Stuff inside. Oh damn. And get the camera back. Everything's fine. In the back of the truck, got the gear bag, gas, stand, chairs, whatever that's called, cooler, and a couple liquids for the bike. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. I got a couple other people coming to ride. So yeah, I'm gonna do like a car montage thing. So it should be pretty sick. But yeah, that's pretty much it for everything. We already got everything out of the garage. Everything that interesting happened is already here. So yeah. And this pit bike exhaust, if you go to one of my other videos, this thing sounds so good. I'm just saying. Okay. Some guys are gonna be saying in the comments, oh, why is it, well, if it even lets me do the comments on the video, but, oh, they're gonna say something about like, oh, why didn't you get a pro circuit? Well, I didn't get a pro circuit because it's $300 and that one was only $200, so I went with that one. I would definitely went with the pro circuit, but it's too late for that. But I could sell the pipe and then maybe, I don't know. But yeah, that's everything out of the garage, so I'll cut to the car montage. This is the bike. It looks like so different. He's got new graphics and but the same number plates. And the best part, we got some JGR precision. I got bar risers and suspension. But the best part is the pipe. I got an FMF full pipe, and I got the works with the turbine core 2, and it actually looks really sick. I gotta start it up for y'all so y'all can hear it, but it sounds so good. Going on the big bike now. I think I'm gonna just hop in on this thing too. I don't know.
Having fun?
Yes, this bike is so much fun.
How different is it compared to the last time you rode it?
It's different.
It's different. It's like a different, whole new bike.
Yeah.
It looks like it has insane power right when you throttle it, just woo.
How's the suspension and everything feel comparatively to the last time?
It doesn't feel as springy. That's a good
like
thing.
It's soft?
Yeah.
Yeah, those forks are definitely stiffer.
Mm-hmm.
Those are some, from what I understand, that's the A-kit set of 85 forks. I mean, it's got all of this quick adjustment stuff on the top.
I mean, look how much taller.
That's what it's not. Look at the seat height. It's all the same.
Hold on, yeah.
It's just the bars. I'm telling you, it's just bars. It's just bars.
So are you riding the baby bike now?
Yep.
Come here, let's see.
All we got to do to make this like this is order these. Yeah, I know, but this is the way I cut those corners.
What do you mean it feels stable?
But trust me.
It feels heavy.
It has no training wheels.
No, it feels heavy.
Well,
All it is these clamps right here, but the bars make a big difference. Like, makes a big difference the way it vibrates and all that stuff. You gotta be
geometry is definitely different. This range better than
Going where? Don't go on this track. He's gonna take the skid steer on it. Oh, okay. Don't go on the track. Okay? He's gonna put the machines on it.